Good morning to our lecturer. My name is Wani Panopoenom. Okay, today we want to present about the green theorem application. Okay, before we start, let me introduce our group members. Okay, first me, Wani Panopoenom. Second, Nora Marini Afika. And the third, Wano Hadiba. Do you know what is green theorem? Yes, green theorem is one of the four fundamentals of calculus. Green theorem can define as the relationship between the macroscopic circulation of curve C and the sum of microscopic circulation inside the curve C. It also can simply connected plane region whose boundary is simple and close piecewise smooth curve C oriented to clockwise. Okay, now let me start with the first word application. Okay, now the first application that we need to solve is y cubed dx minus x cubed dy, where the C is a circle of the radius 2 and its center in origin. Okay, from that we can solve this work using the green theorem. Okay, the solution: integral y cubed dx minus x cubed dy. Okay, now we assume the f equal to y cubed and the g is equal to negative x cubed. Next, we have the formula that double integral that dg respect to dx and df respect to dy, dA. Before we calculate, we need to sketch the circle with the radius of 2. From that sketching, we can know the limit of r and theta. So, the limit from r is start from 0 until 2, and the limit of theta is start from 0 until 2 pi. Okay, now we find the df dy and dg dx. We know that f equal to y cubed, and when we differentiate df per dy, it's become 3y square, and for g is equal to negative x cubed, and after differentiate we can get minus 3x square. After that, substitute the value of df per dy and dg per dx into the formula. It's become double integral negative 3x square minus 3y square dA. For your information, dA is equal to r dr d theta, and we replace dA with r dr d theta. Okay, next we become double integral, okay, in bracket of negative 3x square minus 3y square r dr d theta. We can factorize out the negative 3, so now it becomes negative 3 double integral x square plus y square r dr d theta. We know that x square plus y square is become r sin theta square plus r cos theta square. So next, negative 3 double integral bracket r sin theta square plus r cos theta square dr d theta. We have square outside the bracket, so the next step will be r square sin square theta plus r square cos square theta r dr d theta. When we factorize the r square, so it will become r square bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, for your information, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So now r square can multiply with 1 and it equal to r square. Now the next is equal to negative 3 double integral r square r dr d theta, and we can multiply r square with r, so now it become r cubed. Okay, after that we can set the limit that we can get from sketching before this. Okay, when we set the limits, r is limit from 0 until 2, and theta is limit from 0 until 2 pi. So it's become negative 3 double integral r cubed r dr with the r limit from 0 until 2 and the theta limit from 0 until 2 pi. So now we integrate dr, so negative 3 bracket r the power of 4 minus 4 and the limit from 0 until 2. So we can substitute the limitation inside the r, so now it's become 2 the power of 4 minus 4 and it equal to 4. We can multiply the 4 with negative 3 and it become negative 12. Okay, integrate d theta with 1, and it's become theta, so negative 12 bracket theta with limitation from 0 until 2 pi. And now we can substitute the limitation inside the theta, so it's become negative 2 bracket 2 pi minus 0. Next, it will become negative 2 pi, it will become negative 12 bracket 2 pi, and then we can multiply the negative 12 with 2 pi, and we can get the final answer with the negative 24 pi. Thank you for me. Okay, I pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera to Doctor. My name is Suna Ramadhani Afika binti Mionizam. Today, I will like to present the Green Theorem question 3 assignment. Okay, I will discuss the equation 2. Integrate x power of 3y plus 1 dx plus x power of 3 dy. Firstly, we have replaced x power of 3y plus 1 as f and x power of 3 as g. After sketch the plane of x and y, we get the coordinate y equal to 2x and 0, x equal to 1 and 0. Next, we differentiate the value of f and g. F equal to x power of 3y plus 1. We differentiate the value of y. Del f over del y equal to x power of 3. The value of g equal to x power of 3. We differentiate the value of x. Del g over del x equal to 3x power of 2. After differentiate, we sketch the shape using the value of x and y. X equal to 1, y equal to 0, and y equal to 2x. We using the plane xy. The value y and x will be given. X equal to 1, y equal to 0, and y equal to 2x. Okay, we integrate the value of del g over del x minus del f over del y dA. So we using the coordinate y equal to 0 and 2x, x equal to 1 and 0. The equation we get 3x power of 2 minus x power of 3 dy dx. We integrate the value of y, so 3x power of 2y minus x power of 3y dx. We replace the value of y equal to 2x and 0. So we get the value 3x power of 2 times 2x minus 2x times x power of 3 minus 0. Next, after integrate the value of y, we get answer sit x power of 3 minus 2x power of 4. We integrate the value of x, so sit x power of 4 over 4 minus 2x power of 5 over 5. The coordinate is 1 and 0. We put the coordinate x as 1 and 0. We get the answer 3 over 2 minus 2 over 5 equal to 11 over 10. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Wadiba binti Wan Abdullah. I'm going to present the question number 3. The question given is a triangle with a coordinate of 0, 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1. The first step is we should draw a triangle using the coordinate given, and we will get the range of x and y, and for x we will get from 0 to 1, and for y we will get from y equal to x until y equal to 1. And next step is we differentiate x in terms of df over dy, we will get 0. Next, we differentiate negative x square, y square. In terms of dg over dx, we will get negative 2x y square. Okay, next, we will integrate dg over dx minus df over dy, which is negative 2x y square minus 0 dy dx. We will get the integration of negative 2x y square dy dx. First, we integrate respect to y. We will get negative 2x y the power of 3 over 3, and the limit is from x to 1 dx. We substitute the value of the limits in y, and we will get the answer will be negative 2x over 3 plus 2x the power of 4 over 3 dx. And then we integrate respect with x, and we will get the answer if negative 2x squared over 6 plus 2x the power of 5 over 15 with the limit from 0 to 1. And we substitute the value of 0 and 1 in x, we will get the final answer is negative 1 over 5. That's all from us. Thank you.